Welcome back, fashionistas! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship and unlocking the secrets to starting your very own fashion boutique business. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or an aspiring entrepreneur, this video is your ultimate guide to turning your passion for style into a successful venture. So, let's get started. Starting a fashion boutique business can be a dream come true, but it requires careful planning and execution. Don't worry, though. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. So grab a notebook and pen, because we're about to unleash some incredible insights. Now that you're feeling inspired, let's dive into the steps you need to take to kickstart your own fashion boutique business. Define your niche. Every successful boutique has a unique identity. Find your niche by identifying the target audience, the type of clothing you want to sell, and the overall style and aesthetic that will set your boutique apart. When defining your niche, consider your personal style preferences and the market demand. Are you passionate about sustainable fashion, vintage clothing, or high-end designer pieces? Research your target audience's preferences and identify gaps in the market that your boutique can fill. This will help you carve out a distinctive niche and attract loyal customers. Create a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential. It will guide you in making crucial decisions, securing funding, and setting achievable goals. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Your business plan should include an executive summary, a description of your boutique concept, market analysis, competitor research, financial projections, marketing strategies, and an operational plan. Take your time to research and gather relevant data for each section. This will not only help you clarify your vision but also provide a roadmap for your boutique's success. Location, location, location. Choosing the right location for your boutique is crucial. Look for areas with high foot traffic, a target audience that aligns with your niche, and a competitive landscape that can support your business. Consider factors such as rent costs, proximity to complementary businesses, like salons or cafes, parking availability, and overall accessibility. Conduct thorough market research to identify the best neighborhoods or shopping districts where your target customers are likely to visit. Remember, visibility and convenience are key when it comes to attracting foot traffic to your boutique. Stock up on inventory. Building a strong inventory is key. Connect with fashion designers, attend trade shows, and carefully curate your collection to ensure it reflects your boutique's unique style and resonates with your target audience. To stock up on inventory, start by researching fashion designers and brands that align with your boutique's aesthetic and target market. Reach out to them directly to establish partnerships and inquire about wholesale opportunities. Attending trade shows and industry events is another great way to discover new designers and build relationships with suppliers. When curating your collection, consider factors such as quality, price points, and seasonality. Offer a variety of styles, sizes, and price ranges to cater to a diverse customer base. Keep an eye on emerging fashion trends while staying true to your boutique's unique style and brand identity. Marketing magic. You've got your boutique up and running, but how do you attract customers? By implementing effective marketing strategies, of course. From social media campaigns to influencer collaborations and eye-catching window displays, we'll show you how to create buzz and drive traffic to your boutique. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for any business, and fashion boutiques are no exception. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your latest arrivals, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, style tips, and promotions to keep your followers excited and connected. Collaborating with influencers and fashion bloggers can also greatly amplify your boutique's visibility. Identify influencers whose style aligns with your brand and reach out to them for potential partnerships or sponsored posts. This can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility within the fashion community. Exceptional customer experience. Your boutique's success hinges on happy customers. We'll dive into the importance of excellent customer service, personalization, and creating a welcoming atmosphere that keeps shoppers coming back for more. Providing exceptional customer service should be a top priority. Train your staff to be knowledgeable about your inventory, offer personalized styling advice, and ensure a seamless shopping experience. Encourage your team to go the extra mile by offering complimentary alterations or personalized recommendations. Building strong relationships with your customers will not only result in repeat business but also valuable word-of-mouth referrals. Create a welcoming atmosphere in your boutique by paying attention to the overall ambiance and layout. Invest in comfortable seating areas where customers can relax while browsing, and ensure that your store is well lit and organized. Consider playing soft background music that complements your boutique's vibe. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of gratitude. Show appreciation to your customers by offering loyalty programs, sending personalized thank you notes, or hosting exclusive events for VIP customers. Building a loyal customer base is vital for the long-term success of your fashion boutique. Financial management. Running a successful fashion boutique business requires effective financial management. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of your expenses, profit margins, and cash flow. Start by setting a budget that encompasses all aspects of your boutique, including inventory, marketing, rent, utilities, employee wages, and other operating expenses. Regularly track and review your financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. This will help you identify areas of improvement, make informed decisions, and ensure the financial health of your business. Consider implementing a robust inventory management system to track your stock levels, sales, and trends. This will enable you to optimize your inventory, reduce wastage, and avoid overstocking or stockouts. Additionally, establish relationships with reliable suppliers to negotiate favorable terms and discounts, helping you maximize your profit margins. When it comes to pricing your merchandise, consider factors such as production costs, competitor prices, and customer perception. Find a balance between profitability and market competitiveness, ensuring your prices are attractive to your target audience while allowing for sustainable growth. Building a strong team. As your boutique grows, you may need to expand your team. Hiring the right employees is crucial for providing excellent customer service and maintaining the overall operations of your business. Define the roles and responsibilities needed within your boutique, such as sales associates, stylists, visual merchandisers, and administrative staff. Look for individuals who are passionate about fashion, have strong interpersonal skills, and align with your boutique's values and vision. Conduct thorough interviews and consider implementing a trial period to assess their compatibility with your team. Invest in ongoing training and development programs for your employees to enhance their skills and knowledge. This will not only boost their confidence but also contribute to the overall success of your boutique. Evolving with the industry. The fashion industry is ever evolving, and it's important for your boutique to adapt to the latest trends and consumer demands. Stay up to date with the latest fashion trends by attending fashion shows, reading industry publications, and following influential fashion blogs. This will help you anticipate customer preferences and curate your collection accordingly. Embrace technology and leverage e-commerce platforms to expand your reach and cater to a wider customer base. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing online store where customers can browse and purchase your products from the comfort of their homes. Implement secure payment gateways and provide clear and detailed product descriptions to enhance the online shopping experience. Building brand loyalty. In a competitive market, building brand loyalty is essential for the long-term success of your fashion boutique. Encourage repeat purchases and foster a strong connection with your customers through various strategies. Implement a customer loyalty program that rewards frequent shoppers with exclusive discounts, early access to sales, or personalized offers. This will incentivize customers to continue shopping at your boutique and create a sense of exclusivity. Engage with your customers on social media platforms by responding to comments, direct messages, and reviews promptly. Show genuine appreciation for their support and address any concerns or issues promptly and professionally. By providing excellent customer service both online and offline, you'll foster a positive reputation and build trust with your audience. Continuous learning and adaptation. The fashion industry is dynamic, and it's important to stay informed about the latest trends, consumer behaviors, and industry developments. Commit to continuous learning and adapt your strategies accordingly. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and seminars to expand your knowledge and network with other professionals in the field. Join fashion associations or communities to stay connected with industry trends and best practices. Scaling and expansion. Once your fashion boutique business is thriving, you may consider scaling and expanding your operations. This could involve opening additional store locations, launching an e-commerce platform, or exploring international markets. Before expanding, conduct thorough market research to identify viable opportunities and assess the feasibility of your expansion plans. Consider factors such as market demand, competition, local regulations, and logistical challenges. Develop a comprehensive expansion strategy that outlines your goals, timelines, and resource requirements. Secure the necessary funding and establish partnerships or collaborations to support your expansion efforts. Congratulations! You now have the blueprint for launching and growing your own fashion boutique business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and believe in your vision. And who knows? Maybe one day, your boutique will be the talk of the town too.